Are you dreaming of working in Georgia? Whether you are seeking new opportunities or a change of scenery, applying for a Georgia work visa in 2025 in your first step. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to secure your work visa and start your adventure. Step 1. Obtain your employment letters. First thing first, you need a job offer. Reach out to a potential employers in Georgia and secure an employment letter or work contract. This document is crucial as it is confirm your employment and is required for your visa application. Step 2. Prepare your visa application. Next, gather all necessary documents for your visa application. This includes your passport, which will be held at the embassy during processing, the employment letters, any additional documents specified by the Georgian authorities. Step 3. Apply for your work visa. Once you have everything in order, submit your application. It's important to apply early, as processing can take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. You can track your application status through the official e-visa portal and other tracking tools. Step 4. Plan your move. After receiving your visa, it's time to prepare for your move. Remember, you can bring your spouse or children with you, making this a family adventure. Applying for a Georgia work visa doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, securing your job offer, preparing your documents, and submitting your application early, and planning your move, you will be well on your way to starting a new chapter in Georgia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others like to embark on their own journey. Safe travels.